Did you know that cooking is an art? Yes, it's a captivating journey which combines flavors and techniques, turning ordinary ingredients into delectable dishes. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Stella, a Ghanaian and a food lover who enjoys cooking. I'm passionate about crafting new recipes and experimenting with diverse ingredients. On this channel, I'll be taking you through an adventure, exploring traditional recipes and delving into international delicacies. I'll also share some tips and tricks to help you get through your cooking hurdles. I hope to build a community where we can come together, exchange ideas and inspire one another to embrace the act of cooking, appreciating the blend of ingredients that come together to create our cherished meals. I'd greatly appreciate your feedback and any suggestions to help improve this channel. Expect fresh content every week. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification to make sure you never miss out on the weekly experience. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated and I can't wait to welcome you to my next video. Until then, goodbye.